Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a you and yours reading now. Sagittarius, my old subscribers know this. You and yours is a reading for you and the person who's involved or most affecting your energy right now. This could be anyone, Sagittarius. This could be a lover, could be an ex, could be somebody who has an eye on you. This could be your mother-in-law, could be your boss, child, sibling. Once you hear the reading, you'll know who this is for you, right? Whoever's affecting your energy the most right now. And these are general collective readings, Sagis, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Sagis, let's begin your reading. A warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for all your lovely comments. Very grateful for supporting the channel. And if you're new here, Sagis, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Beautiful energies. So for the duration of this reading, Sagittarius, I will be calling one side person A, the other side person B. You will know which side you resonate best with. I have beautiful cards here. One person is feeling like the Empress, happiness. The other person has an overflowing cup of love with a rebirth of this love or something. I don't know. Till now, touch wood, these energies are looking rather good to me. And yes, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And these will be your action cards. Okay. Alright, so bottom of my spread, I have the 5 of Wands in reverse. Ending of a conflict. No wonder both of you look a little happier today to me. Okay, so let's put this here and get on with your reading. Like I said, my first look to how person A is feeling is feeling, yes, I'm feeling good about myself. I'm feeling I finally, at that position where I'm feeling, or maybe that's how they want to feel, like the Empress and feeling in the sun energy. This is beautiful energy to be in, person A, whoever you are. And person B is also feeling rather good. They have the Ace of Cups and the Judgment card. So let's see if you guys could say something to each other, Sagittarius. Now, what would that be? Saggy and their person, Spirit. Sagittarius and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? One more. Sagittarius and their person. Alright, let's take a couple more from here. True confessions. Sagittarius and their person. Alright. Okay, Saggis, let's begin your reading. The first card here says, you check all my boxes. How can that be possible? Look at this. Like I said, somebody is really happy. Look at this overflowing cup of love. And the sun here on the other side. This is happy, happy cards. Okay. I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? I was taught that I had to earn love by pleasing people. I don't care what my family or anyone else has to say. I want you and nobody else. This is a surprisingly beautiful reading for you, Sagittarius, at least up till now, touch wood. Soon I plan on returning. Hope it can work this time. Yes, I do see a little bit of distance, a little bit of waiting going on in this connection. But yes, somebody is very clear that they want to have a forever. I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. Beautiful. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. Love is in the air, Sagittarius. Trying to gather up courage to get in contact with you. Okay, so the fire is lit on both sides from what I feel. All right, that's a good start to a reading. Let's see what's going on. But the end of some conflict, or if you guys have had any kind of misunderstanding or something, that's all coming to an end. Before I start this reading, I am going to take a blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with the blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you, Sagittarius. Generosity. Yeah, somebody wants to come and give now. It's time to give and receive and be generous with your time, with your love, with your energy. I don't know what this reading is going to be all about, but till now, touch wood, it seems fabulous to me. So let's start with the energies of person A and see how they are doing. Person A is feeling like the Empress and the Sun. Why is that, Spirit? Empress and the Sun. Somebody's maybe said something to them, maybe they've received an offer or maybe an apology from their person. Maybe you guys had a fight earlier and maybe the apology has either come or is about to come here, and that's going to put person A into feeling really, really happy. Sun energy, Spirit. What's the Sun for person A? What's the Sun for person A? Maybe there's been a bit of stagnation here because of something, whatever happened between the two of you. But yes, there is news. There is news from this handsome King of Wands to say, hey, I know we've kind of... I want to have a stable new beginning with you. I know there's been a bit of stagnancy here, but here's my apology, here's my love offer. I do want to come towards you, and that's going to make person A feel really happy. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be in this energy now? Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. Maybe they were expecting this brand new beginning, which was a bit delayed here. Many sleepless nights here I see. Maybe checking your phone. Where are they? Not talking to me. Will I ever be offered this brand new beginning of stability forever and ever? So there was a lot of stress regarding this. Am I right, Spirit? Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. Yes, I think person A kind of felt this has come to an end, and somebody has kind of left the scene, and this entire thing is backfired on me. I kept expecting, a new beginning, and I haven't got it, and they were kind of worried that, has it ended? Has this relationship kind of totally backfired on me? Nine of Swords. Yes, they were stressing and worrying about the fact that this love was over. They may maybe also stressing and worrying that this maybe their partner never really, meant what they said, and maybe were coming in only for the passion. Maybe this person never wanted to settle down. They just wanted to keep it light. There was no true love here, and person A really wanted this brand new beginning, but was stressing because they were not sure whether this would really happen. They kind of came to that point where they thought it's never going to happen. It's going to end. So how does person A now feel about this connection, or person B now, Spirit? How does person A feel about this connection? Six of Swords. My God, they do have a lot of passion for person B, and they are also realizing they're hoping that somebody will make that decision now for them, or both of you can make that decision where you guys can end this conflict now. Still stressing about it. There's a lot of stress and worry on person A's end, I can see that, but they are wishing and hoping still that the choice will be made soon for this conflict to get over, so you guys can move to a calm, happy space for yourselves now. Seven of Wands, as to how person A feels about this connection. Person A is waiting, I think. Person A is waiting. They are flip-flopping between will it happen, will it not happen. They really are excited and want to take action, but then they feel that their person is not fighting for it. They feel it would be immature of them to make the first move, and because they haven't received maybe this news yet, the message hasn't come in. Somebody's been waiting patiently. Like I said, there could be some distance between the two of you. You guys could be countries apart or miles apart, I don't know what. But according to person A, they would wait forever because this connection makes them feel very, very, very happy. Okay, and the same card is on the other side as well, the Three of Wands, right? So both are kind of waiting for that time when I guess you guys can come together, still at crossroads. But I do see that person A really wants to grow with person B. They look at person B as their sunshine. So let's see what's happening in person B's side. Ace of Cups. Why is the person B in the Ace of Cups energy, Spirit? Why are they feeling the Ace of Cups? Yes, they know that there's been a bit of delay in this connection here, Sagittarius, but they are now realizing that I do love person A very much, and this is the person that I can have a very long-term partnership with. So, Judgment. What do they want with the Judgment card? What do they want with the Judgment card? What do they want with the Judgment card? Yes, they're realizing now. They're realizing that they never really made a decision in the past. Maybe they were being pulled between two options or two things in their life. They were always holding back. They never really invested in this connection. They never put in that time and effort to make this connection work. They were probably giving breadcrumbs in the past, and it wasn't a very balanced relationship. Person B really wants a chance to make this right again. Right? They want to bring this back into fruition, and they want a second chance, basically. So what happened to person B, Spirit, for them to be feeling this way? King of Swords. King of Swords. King of Swords. Wow, somebody is really clear in their head here. And what's his Hierophant, Spirit? Hierophant. Yes, this person, I think, maybe this conversation has already taken place, Sagittarius, because these so many happy cards. I'm not used to seeing them in love readings. Mostly it's all about separation and whatever. But this person either has already had this clarity in their mind as to who and what they want. Right? They know where their wishes can come true now. Maybe they are going to have this communication, or they've already had this communication. This is a person who speaks their truth. Okay? This is like the truth and nothing but the truth. Look at the amount of beautiful cards I have on the table, in my hand right now. The King of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Star, and the communication card. So if you haven't had this communication, Sagittarius, it's coming. It's coming in quick, and it's going to be the honest truth that somebody wants a reunion now, and they do want this long-term partnership. They do want this commitment with you. So how does person B now feel about the connection, Spirit? Two of Wands. Yes, if they feel that if till now there has been no decision made, whatever came between the two of you, it's time now to release that. Any toxicity from this connection, any conflict, any fighting, whatever has been keeping you both separated maybe, or keeping you apart, it's time now to get over all that toxic energy. And the Three of Wands, Spirit. Three of Wands. Three of Wands. Yes, they do want to return. They desperately do want to return. They are a bit restless, I think, right now, because they're not being able to either return. They're not being able to make that effort to return. Like I said, there could be something to do with distance here, or travel, or something like that. There is a lot of waiting going on, which I see on both sides. But you guys could have had a conversation, maybe by email or phone or something like that. So let's see what action person A would like to take now. Victory. This is how person A is feeling. So why is this an action, Spirit, that person A would like to take? Six of Wands. They want to win over person B, it seems. You already have person A. Person B is in love with you, from what I see. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Six of Wands. Yes, person A wants victory with person B. They don't want to be single and go off for a fresh new beginning anywhere else. They have a lot of passion for person B and would like to stay in this cycle with person B. They don't want to finish this chapter with person B at all. Okay, so they are very clear. This is my person. I'm very excited. I'm very happy, and I want to be victorious in this connection. And let's see, person B. Any action? The Moon. Why the Moon, Spirit? As action? Give me a second, Sagittarius. I'm so sorry. So sorry, let me just switch the ringer off. Yeah, so Magician and the Seven of Cups. Why is this action, Spirit? From person B side, what's this action? Are they still keeping secrets? So sideways, I'll take another one. This is an important question. So be mindful, person A. This person could still be keeping some secrets here. They could be keeping some secrets here. I don't know. One more. What action will person B take, Spirit? They do want to end the fight, that's for sure. One more. Action. I'm going to put all these back. This is a very important question. I don't want any confusion here, Spirit. I want to know what is this action that person B is taking. This is seeming a little dicey to me. The Moon energy, right, as action. So this is like somebody who's hiding the truth or keeping secrets. So why is this action, Spirit, from person B's end? Why is this the action that person B will take? The Tower. Be a little mindful, person A. I don't know which side you're on, Sagittarius. This person is still kind of coming in with some secrets. If there is an expectation of marriage or stability, I'm not sure it will be given immediately. Yes, they do want a reconciliation. They do want a rebirth of this connection. But this Four of Wands is still crossing it, right? So they may not offer person A what person A is expecting at the moment. This just may lead to that feeling of not being completely happy. This may come as a Tower moment to know that maybe what person A is expecting is not being offered. I do see love on both sides. I do see both of you coming back together. I do see person B wanting to return, but where commitment is concerned, it may not be the kind of offer that person A is expecting, and that could turn into a Tower moment. Am I right, Spirit? Am I right? Yes, they just want to end the fight at the moment. They do see you in very high light, person A. They want to have this communication. They are coming towards you. They want to come towards you. They want to make up with you. But just be mindful, there could be a secret here. Yes, see the high priestess again. So there could be a secret regarding somebody else. Maybe there is somebody else in the mix here. I don't know. Something that they're not opening up completely about. So from what I see, they do want to come back. The love is there. The apology is there. The passion is there. Everything is there. Except when it comes to commitment, then they may not be telling you the truth and the whole truth. Okay, so yes, but don't worry, victory is yours. Second time this card has come, so enjoy the moment. Just be clear that you don't set your expectations that high that you feel hurt once again. Okay, ask the right questions before you kind of jump back into their arms. That's all I have for you, Sajis. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.